this guy, bro. Man, knocked out. Straight up. Damn, which one's dirtier, bro? I need to watch this shit. Now the car feels strong and quick, but now it feels too fast because we can't stop. We cannot stop. These brakes and rotors gotta go. Hey. 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 Infiltrate. Then they. So today's install, we got some Zimmerman cross drill. There we go. I forgot. Some Zimmerman cross drill rotors for the rear, and then we also got some EBC premium street brake pads. This was the kit off FCP. It just came with these, and then the kit also comes with this plastic lube for the, I think it goes on the back right here. I forget. Whatever. But anyways, let's jump right into it. I'm actually gonna work off FCP Euro's video, so without further ado, let's start. On 3, I'm gonna grab these annoying little black caps here. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Alright guys, so the caliper is held in place by these two 13s. So after you break them, they're not going to be too hard. You want to go ahead and hold this block in place so you can finish getting those bolts out of the caliper, and then go ahead and take the caliper off. Alright, so the caliper is off. And after I do this one, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing to the other side. Same shit. It's hot. That shit is gone, bro. Non-existent. Wow. Oh my Jesus. Too much. Alright, I went ahead and did the other side. So this was the one behind, or no, this is the one that was that goes on top of the piston. This, and then the one on the back. I don't know, I guess it's like the same shit. Both of the ones in the back are kind of thick, but then both of the ones in front are thinned out more, and this was the passenger side. I don't know, go figure. All right, let's keep working. So here with the piston inside the caliper, you want to make sure you actually compress it and try to spin it. So I got this tool from Amazon here from Orion Motor Tech. Has a couple faces that hopefully could fit the grooves of the piston. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try to compress it and spin it clockwise. Alright guys, so it's kind of hard to get these two bolts for the, what is it, the caliper bracket bolts. It's this one here, and then where's the top one? It's right here. So right on this side. So I'm gonna try to get those. Triple square size 14. I've seen people saying that it's a bitch to get it. Again, you know, if you don't have a lift, so wish me luck. All right, so I broke those. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking them off, do the same thing on the other side, and then work on this T30, get the calipers off, and then replace the rotor. Let's do it. Alright, here's the bracket. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Damn. Oh, God, fuck. Hey. Ah! Ah! My eyes are burning! Ah! Okay, I'm fine, I'm fine. Caliper off. Oh, this caliper back. Alright, so here it is. Zimmerman cross drilled rotor. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out. I don't know why my voice stuttered. I'm tripping. Anyways. I don't think it should be. I guess I might have to give this a couple taps. I don't have a mallet, so I'm gonna give this a try here. I'm gonna give this a try with a real hammer. Alright, done with these shits. Right. Let's go ahead and let's get the other one. Nice. Now I just gotta get my caliper brackets back in place, so let's do it. All right, guys, so my car didn't come with any like retaining clips or anything. I literally just found them just like this. Okay, so I assembled the EBC brake pads with the little backing plates and stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of this plastic lube so we don't get any squeaking. I want to make sure I get like this edge right here that makes contact with that edge. In case anybody else has this problem, my rear passenger side piston was extremely hard to compress, so I actually popped in the brake pads without the backing plates. I just applied the lube the same way I did on these, and everything worked out fine. All right. Let's go ahead and get that caliper on carefully. Okay, nice and snug fit. I'm gonna go ahead and get these bolts in. Feels really good. Can't even see these bottom ones. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these down, do the same thing on the other side, and put the wheels back on.